Hey y'all, so you guys know I'm going out of town soon, and I had such a hard time trying to decide which bag to carry on the plane. Now, my favorite travel bag, hands down, is the Delightful GM. And normally you all see her in the background. She has seen better days. I need a new one. This is the oldest. I want to say this was my second Louis Vuitton from the boutique. As you can see, that she's very patina, which I love, but I hate that I destroyed her the way that I did. Now the inside of her is actually not that bad for her to be. This bag is discontinued. I have a big pillow in here. It's discontinued, but she's not horrible on the inside. This one isn't like the other one that I had, but she is destroyed as far as I damaged that bag, y'all, because I wore her to death when I first got her. When we lived in St. Louis at that time. This is my Evora GM, and I think this is the one that I'm going to take, but I want to take this one. But this one looks big, but she don't hold as much as this one does. So this is my favorite travel bag, and I've been using this one, I don't know, I want to say my daughter was 2 or 3, maybe 3. So she's 19 now, so do the math. That's how long I've been using this bag. I have another bag inside of here. I forgot about this bag. This orange summer tote from Land's End. Anyway, I don't know which bag I'm going to take. I may switch it up at the last minute, but for now, this is what I'm taking. Let's do a what's in my carry-on, shall we? Alright, so right off the top, everything that I just had in my other bag, I have in here. This is my wallet, self-explanatory. If you haven't seen the other video, you can go back and watch it. This is my little snack case. You guys know they're not giving us snacks like they used to on the plane, so carry your own. I have my chumps, I have my gum, I have one little Reese's in here that just never got ate. It's probably 3 weeks old. So it's nothing in here. I might add something to it later. I'm looking over there to see if I had anything else to put in here. I thought I just bought some chumps. I could have sworn I just bought a pack. Unless the kids been in here again. My grandson, he be coming in here and he be having a good time. Okay. Yeah, so I gotta see if they took the chumps. But I definitely want to take the chumps because for me, that's a good protein to kind of keep on me so that if I get hungry, I'm not passing out like I did in New York on the subway. This is my little toiletry pouch. Have to go to the bathroom, freshen up. Only thing I need to add to this is a toothbrush, toothpaste. That's the only thing I really need to add, and floss. I feel like I want to write that down so I don't forget. Yeah, I just need that. I'll do that after this video. And then in here I have my pill case, my little makeup, my on-the-go makeup. You guys can see that in the previous video if you want to see more details. But it's just some basics. It's not nothing too much. When I travel, I usually travel pretty light. I'm a minimalist when I travel, so I don't carry a lot of stuff. I just carry what I need. And then my clothes fit inside these little packet cubes. I have 2 packet cubes and they fit in this carry-on. I always carry on. That's what I'm going to carry. And I have my little 2 packet cubes, and then I just mix and match my accessories to change up the outfit. So it'll be something simple like an all black outfit. I'll switch it up with the jacket or a cardigan or the jewelry. And because I use jewelry to make my outfits look different when I'm out of town, let me show you my jewelry organization. Now before, I used to use this little, I think it's upstairs. But I wanted to show you as a reference for like how I used to carry the jewelry, because it was just a jumbled mess. Everything was just trying to squeeze inside of there, and that was a hot mess. So Lolalet sent me this, and thank you Lolalet for sponsoring this portion of the video. I love this so much, and as you see, it fits in my carry-on effortlessly. It opens up on both sides. If you can see the little charms, I love their little charms. It's like jewelry to me. It's just so cute. And I love that these are detachable. You can take these out and just carry one in your bag if you have to. Because sometimes, you know, when you're in the airport, they'll take your bag because they're full if you're riding in coach, which we ride in coach most of the time. I've only ridden in first class once. So a lot of times when you're riding in coach, they want to check your bag even though you're trying to carry on, and you just give them your bag, but you take your important jewelry out so that it's not away from you, you know, if you just want to keep your safe jewelry safe. All right, so right on the front, I have all of my little studs up here at the top. I like this because this is also detachable, so you can put it in there easily. And then I have like my fossil, my herringbone bracelet, and then my little leaf bracelet. I have all of my bracelets and watches on this little thing, which is also detachable through this little button here. So I just think they thought of everything. Everything is so well made. And it's squishy enough to where you can put it inside of your bag. You can shake it up. Nothing is going to fall out. It's just easy. Easy peasy. Alright, and then down here is another zipper. I have like my sewing kit, my little extra pliers in case I have to fix an earring or a bracelet. You guys know stuff breaks, especially costume jewelry. And then my little blue. So I have it kind of organized by color. It's all categorized. I love organization, and that's what I did. So all of my blue and white jewelry is here, my tan and golds, all of my blacks, and I like that they have like 3 different compartments. My air is so loud. And then this one has 2, this one has 1. You see how that goes? And then same here, I have my bag charms, because you all know I'm going to decorate my bag on the go, honey. Yes, I will. And then all of my colorful jewelry. So all of my orange, I just talked about that in another video. I love orange in the summer. And you guys know green and pink are my favorite colors. So I had to get some green. And of course, yellow is just fresh and so clean. So I have my yellow. This I love because you can hold probably 100 pairs of earrings, or I don't know how many. I didn't add. But on the back, if you want to add more, you can. They're little holes, if you can see that. And then it has this protective cover to protect your earrings. This will be for a night out. I can already tell you that. And then, yeah. And then on this back page, I like to say page because it's like a chapter book, all of my necklaces and longer bag charms. So like my little Hermes shoe charm, my little bag chain. And then you just put it down here in the pocket so it's not just like hanging out. You know, you can keep it in the pocket, keep it nice and safe and secure. I just love it. If you all want a full jewelry tour, I would love to do that video. I love jewelry, and so I could talk about jewelry all day. Like, seriously. Jewelry is something that's special because every time I go somewhere, I get jewelry as like a souvenir. So yeah, let me know if you want to. I know a lot of you ladies are like me when it comes to jewelry. You probably like medium to large size jewelry like I do. And it was just impossible to find storage for travel, especially, I mean, really jewelry storage, period. But jewelry storage for travel was impossible. This used to be stuffed up to here. I could never button it because it was overstuffed. Yes, I could fit my earrings down in here, but you can't see anything down there. And it's like way down there. This is really old, so it's got some stains in there from liners and stuff. But my necklaces would just hang because they, you know what I'm saying? Like they just hang out. So this was horrible storage. Then I thought I upgraded to this little Pandora little case, and I was like, okay, I got it. I finally got it. But I didn't have it because I could never zip it. You see that? This one could hardly zip with my bangles. And look, I had to squeeze my bangles to get them to fit in there well. And it still didn't hardly do it. And then they're not organized. It's just a jumbled hot mess. Nothing in here is organized. And so, yeah, even if I wanted it to be organized by color and type, because of the limited storage, it was just hard. And it was so bulky, and I could never button this up either. Are you seeing this? So Lolalet's organizing for the travel jewelry is so important because it just allows you to categorize everything and have a place for everything. And I love that. So I won't be going back. I'm donating both of these because they're just trash. And yeah, I love jewelry, so I have a lot of it and I like to carry it. All right. So that's me. If you like big jewelry, small jewelry, I know a lot of ladies like dainty jewelry. If you like dainty jewelry, medium-sized jewelry, or large jewelry, then this Lolalet case is for you. Again, thanks Lolalet for sponsoring this portion of the video. Appreciate you guys. Y'all let me know what you're going to buy. Like, go ahead and click that link, honey, and let me know what you're getting, okay? Because I know that this is going to sell out. All right, y'all take care.